I would say take a really close look at your onboarding process and ask yourself the honest question of, can we remember to do this for every single person every time at the right time? We help people with technical sourcing. That's what our software does. We realize we're very much the business of our customers having success, getting interviews ultimately scheduled with tech candidates. And so that required us to be more hands-on. We needed to help them build searches to find the right people. And then we needed to recommend, what in this data do you use to engage this person? We realized we needed to be a lot more involved on that front so that people could ultimately see early success and adopt the platform. And it's very easy to let one or two of those steps slip if you don't have a central place to keep track of who's doing what. And so that's what Arrows does really well is, okay, Acme Corp just signed with your predictions. What's the plan for getting them up to speed and what steps are involved in that so that everybody can see it? And that's what Arrows does. Been two primary benefits that we've seen since implementing Arrows. The time to fully ramped customer. Instead of several months, it now takes several weeks. Not only did our time to onboarding get shortened, our net retention actually increased. The thing that we're most excited about is it's given us scalability on a side of our business that used to be very unplanned. We now know whether it's a customer tomorrow, 6 months in the future, a year from now, we know exactly what we're going to do to keep them and make sure they're successful. Future growth is now exciting because we have it figured out. We have a plan in place that everybody can access, and there's no limit to how you scale that.